Welcome to Momofprincesses. Hi everybody.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Today we got 3 big eggs. What color are the eggs? And purple. Sage has a purple egg. You want to open up and see what we have inside? Each egg has surprises. So let's open up. Sage, open up your purple egg. You want the eggies? So we have this purple egg and we're going to see what's inside. What's inside? Zoom, zoom. Zoom, zoom, surprise eggs. These are the cute ones where it comes with, these are Zoom Zoom, so each has a character and either a butterfly or wings or ears. So you can get a chance of Tigger, Minnie, Heimlich, Piglet, Dale, Mickey, Chip, Winnie the Pooh, Donald, Pluto, Eeyore, or Daisy. Which one do you want, babies?
I want to get Minnie.
Minnie, yeah, she's cute. What did we get, baby? So it comes in these foil bags. These are my scissors. These are Zoom Zoom screen ones. What did we get, guys? I think we got Heimlich.
What?
Heimlich.
Heimlich.
From Bud's Life. And he comes with a butterfly. Super cute. Got Heimlich from Bud's Life. He's so funny. He's always eating. And it has a butterfly. Here you go, love. Let's see what Noelle got.
This is my card.
Okay, give it to me.
It's the hardest box I
It
ever.
is a little hard. Okay, so Noelle wants Minnie, right?
Yeah.
Let's see what you got.
I got Mickey.
You got Mickey. You can't have Minnie. You gotta get Mickey.
Bee.
He looks like a bee. He does look like a bee. So, this is so cute. It's Mickey
A bee.
with wings like a bee. And it comes off.
Yeah. It's like a thing.
Cute. So, let's open up the blue egg. Is that so cool?
Okay, I get this.
Hi, baby. So, we got the blue egg. And we gotta open up and see what was inside.
It's hard.
What do we got?
T.S.U.M.
Shopkins eggs.
Yeah.
So we got 4 of these Shopkins Easter eggs. So each comes with, I think, 1 Shopkins. Oh, 2 Shopkins and 1 collector guide. So let's start opening.
They just grab the Zoom Zoom.
It's okay. They are a little hard.
But I got this. What a cool.
So we got a purple, a pink, and orange. Okay, love.
I opened the orange one, and after 2 orange one, I opened the pink one.
Yes.
These are in the egg.
They are a little hard. They don't even have it perforated.
Oh, it's zippers.
There's a collector guide. Shopkins list. So it comes with festive treats. All these goodies. Oh, and they have rare mini eggs. That's so cute. Say, do you want me to help you, love? So Sadie's first one is
Mama, open it already.
Petite Tart. How cute. Petite Tart. She's pink with a bow. So cute. Looks like a raspberry one, maybe.
Mama, look. I got
What'd you get?
Look at the guy.
Yes, I think they're all the same, Mama.
And I got this.
Cool.
Rain bags. Cute.
Sagey's other one was, ooh, Carol Cake. She's a pretty mint color. Carol Cake. Okay, let me open yours, baby.
I want to put the egg. I'm going to open the little bag or the big bag.
You got it, thank you, lovey. What did you get?
Look, Mom.
What is it?
I got a limited edition. No.
I don't know if it's a limited edition, but it's pretty cute. It looks like a little hamburger. Marie macaronettes, so it's a macaroon.
Yeah.
It's a big macaroon with a lot of fillings.
Ooh.
So cute. What else did you get, baby?
This is my favorite.
That was your favorite? Let me help you, Sage. What did you get? Open this one. Let's see what you got, Sage. Oops. What is that one?
It looks like pink and purple.
Looks like a pink and purple what? Let's see.
Cake?
Cupcake? It does look like a little cupcake. Let's see what it
My
is.
favorite cupcake.
It is K-Cupcake. So it is a cupcake. K-Cupcake. You see all the little bows on the wrapper?
Yeah.
Adorable.
Okay.
Okay. You have another egg to open, babe.
With
So Sagey's other one, she got LOLl cake. It's a pretty blue cake. Yes, you got another petite tart. It looks like an ombre cake with an elephant on top. How cute is that, guys? So L cake. And Sagey got another petite tart. It looks like. Did you say? Yes, he's so excited. He's so happy. Let me help you. Okay, here's our last egg. It's a pink one.
My favorite.
You can play with it, but no monkeys. Okay, open it.
I got it.
Noelle got a surprise egg. She got a rare mini egg.
I got it!
Yay, we got a mini egg.
I saw an egg.
Okay, make sure Sage is clean enough.
Yeah.
What did you get?
I got a green milk.
A green milkshake.
Yeah, wiggle one. So awesome.
So Noelle got a Mickey milkshake.
So cute.
It is so cute.
I love the egg. Cute. It looks like a pad thai.
So we got Mickey milkshake. It's like a shamrock shake. So cute. Okay, what's the last one?
I don't know.
Sagey, what is it? What is it, love?
It's like a pad thai.
Can we help you?
That. It's like a pad thai.
It's like a little cake. And she looks like she got Spencer sponge. You got Spencer sponge.
Whoa. It looks a
Spencer
little
sponge. So
They
cute.
drop at a
It's
Shopkins.
okay.
Look, there's a little
Okay, that's all for our eggs. We got one more big egg. So guys, we opened up, what did we open up? The Zoom Zoom Easter eggs. We opened up the Shopkins Easter eggs. And now is our big pink egg. You guys excited?
Yeah.
You know what's inside?
Yeah.
No.
No.
Okay, let's open it up. You want to open it up, Sagey? Yeah? Open it up. What's inside, Sage?
Wow.
What is that?
Cute pad thai.
Can I see it, love? Let me open it. Can I see it, Bobby? Give mommy. Thank you. So we got the HATCHIMALS collectible baskets.
Yay.
Easter basket, and it comes with 4 HATCHIMALS
Cool.
and 2 unopened HATCHIMALS. So let's open them up.
That's so
So super cute. Here we go.
It's having
so it comes with...
Can we rub the eggs?
Yes, rub the eggs. So it comes with a little collector guide. These are the Easter basket series. You could get...
Let's see my favorite.
You could get the spring lamb in 2 colors. The spring butter puff. Spring kitty can. Spring Duraloo. 2 spring Duraloos. A Chica Puff. They're so hard to pronounce. Spring Puppet, Spring Beeble, Spring Bunwee, and a Spring Bunwee in different color. These are cool. This is so cute. It's like translucent, kind of, with the tail and the glitter wings.
Cute.
And then I got the bunny.
Can I press it, Mama?
Yes, babe. So cute. So let's see what the other ones get.
You help me to rub it, rub it, rub it.
I don't know if this one rubs. Let's see.
Pink?
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure either.
I think it just scratches off. I'm not sure if it rubs. Let me see. Hold the egg in your hands. Rub the heart. When it changes from purple to pink, it's ready to hatch. Okay, I guess you're supposed to rub it. You gotta rub it really hard, Mama. It's not really changing.
Yeah.
But whatever. Let's just scratch it. So let's open it up. See what we get. Oh, looks like we got the lamb. So cute. She's green, purple ears. Spring lamb. What did you get, Bob? What did you get?
A baby.
A baby. It looks like a deer or something. Looks like you got the Duraloo. The purple Duraloo. Cute.
Baby bunny.
What did Sage get?
You got that.
You love it, baby? You got a caterpillar?
Yeah. Let's put this in her
So is
favorite.
that all of them? 1, 2, yeah. Okay, so.
Mommy, I know you got.
Oh, I got a little chick. It's so cute.
Oh, little cute bunny.
Chick chow.
Now go in your nest.
She's winking at you guys.
Go in your nest, baby.
Okay, what did you get, Sage? Can I see? Sage really loves this one.
Yeah.
Oh, she is so adorable. We got the spring bee bowl. So it looks like a bull and a bee.
My favorite's all of them.
So cute. Okay guys, what is your favorite?
My favorite is the deer.
The deer. The deer is so cute too.
All of them.
All of them. They're all so cute and adorable. They have different colors you can play with. They're of everything. Shopkins or Tsum Tsums or the Easter eggs. The Hatchimals.
Yeah.
Would you like the best Hatchimals?
The Hatchimals. All of them.
Let us know your favorites in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
Bye. Like and subscribe.